Alright everybody, I'm going to show you all how to use this address extraction or the address scooper tool so that you can pull out the addresses that you need for your mail merge work. So what we'll do is we'll go down, we'll move this so everybody can see it better. So we'll go to an address, say we're going to put a, let's just say we're going to do a sign here, so we need to alert the neighbors. And to do that, we'll do by mail, so we'll just go and click our address extraction tools. So I'll click on this line drawing tool and just draw a tool around the boundary. And we do this so that it sends out it automatically creates a 300-foot buffer. And to get those addresses in that 300-foot buffer, we'll go into apply, and that'll bring us all our addresses. So for there we have 15 addresses, which is good. So we'll then go to this little button here and go to export out to CSV. And there you are. There's your addresses that you need. You can run through your mail merge document, and you can do that for each one. Save it down to whatever name. Default it calls it features, but you could save it as whatever you wanted to. Alright, that's it. That's how you do the address extraction. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.